What is a protection order for stalking victims? Imagine feeling unsafe in your own neighborhood or even your own home. That's where a protection order for stalking victims comes into play. It is a legal tool designed to keep someone safe from a person who is stalking them. Stalking involves repeated unwanted contact or behavior that causes fear, distress, or alarm. This can include following someone, sending unwanted messages, showing up at their home or workplace, or other actions that make the victim feel unsafe. Protection orders are often discussed in family law, especially in cases of domestic violence. But they also apply when the stalker is not a family member or someone you live with. For example, if a coworker, neighbor, or even a stranger is stalking you, you can seek a protection order. The goal is to stop the harmful behavior before it escalates. When someone files for a protection order for stalking, they usually need to go to court and file a petition. The court then reviews the case and can issue an order to protect the victim. The order can include specific instructions for the stalker, such as staying away from the victim, not contacting them in any way, and avoiding their home, workplace, or other places they visit often. If the stalker violates the order, they can be arrested and face criminal charges. This makes the protection order a powerful legal tool to enforce safety. To get a stalking protection order, the victim generally needs to prove that the stalking has happened. This might involve showing proof of unwanted messages, emails, or other communications, or evidence of the stalker showing up at certain locations. In some places, the victim must first report the stalking to law enforcement and provide proof of that report when applying for the order. This helps the court decide if the order is necessary. Protection orders for stalking can be temporary, giving immediate safety while the case is reviewed. After a hearing, the court might issue a longer-term order if the stalking continues and is serious. It is important for victims to keep records of all incidents, save any messages or emails, and follow the steps required by their local court. Legal assistance can help guide victims through the process and make sure their rights are protected. In summary, a protection order for stalking victims is a court order that helps prevent ongoing harassment or threats. It applies even when the stalker is not a family member or partner. This legal option is vital for safety when someone feels threatened or unsafe due to repeated unwanted behavior.